10% Happier is a mindfulness and meditation platform designed to help users incorporate meditation into their daily lives without the pressure of perfection. Opening the homepage, the website immediately presents a calm and professional aesthetic. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, featuring a prominent call to action for users to explore free trial options or learn about its benefits. Navigating further, you'll notice 10% Happier provides a wide array of content, ranging from guided meditations led by experienced instructors to thought-provoking podcasts and articles on mindfulness. The platform focuses on practical, science-backed techniques, making it accessible even for beginners who might feel intimidated by traditional meditation practices. Exploring the courses section, you'll find detailed programs tailored to specific goals, like managing stress, improving sleep, or enhancing focus. Each course is structured into bite-sized sessions, which is ideal for people with busy schedules. As you delve deeper into the teacher section, it becomes apparent that the app prioritizes expertise, featuring renowned instructors with diverse styles and approaches to mindfulness. This adds credibility and provides variety for users to find a method that resonates with them. The 10% Happier app integration is seamless, offering both web and mobile access to your content. This cross-platform availability is particularly useful for those who need flexibility in when and where they practice mindfulness. However, I noticed that some premium content is locked behind a subscription, which might deter users seeking free resources. That said, the subscription pricing is competitive compared to similar platforms, especially considering the range and depth of the content available. A standout feature is the ability to track progress, which provides motivation for users to stay consistent. The app's reminders are unobtrusive, serving as gentle nudges rather than overwhelming prompts. Customer support is responsive, with an easy-to-use FAQ section addressing common issues. Community engagement is less prominent though, which could be a drawback for those looking for forums or group interaction. Overall, 10% Happier excels in providing a no-frills, approachable path to mindfulness, particularly for skeptics or those new to meditation. The focus on practicality and real-world applications of mindfulness makes it stand out among similar platforms. The experience is polished, though its value is maximized through a subscription. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you found this review helpful.